Guru, student of 7th standard बच्चे, we are doing assignment 3.3 of your chapter number 3rd power. Now let us discuss about the question number part number 6. Express each of the following using the decimal notation. We will write now number not in the scientific or standard form. We will write on the number that is on decimal notation. So 6th part, first question, 4 multiply 10 raised to power minus 2. Decimal form we have to write. See, if it is given negative, how it becomes positive? When we will write 1 after. See, if any number that is given in negative any number x by y, rational number having negative power, how it becomes positive? When it is reciprocal, it becomes positive. See here 10 by 1 is given. When it is we will done reciprocal, it becomes positive power. So 4 divided by 100, which is how we can write, count the number of 0 and put the decimal before counting these digits. So 0.04. So 2 zeros are there, so leave the 2 digit before the 2 digit, put the decimal sign. So answer is 0.04. Next question is 1.26 multiply 10 raised to power 8. Second one, 1.26 multiply 10 raised to power 8. Similar way, if we will remove the decimal, downside we will write 100, because after decimal 2 digits, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See 2 cut. So 1, 2, 6 multiply 10 raised to power 6. 6 are left. So we will write 126, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the decimal notation of the number 1.26 multiply 10 raised to power 8. Now third question is 7.5 multiply 10 raised to power minus 6. Similar way, if we will remove the decimal, after decimal 1 digit, so we will write 10. Here 1 by 10 raised to power 6. Total becomes here 1 power, here 6. Base is same. 6 plus 1, 7. So 75 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So before 7 numbers, we should put the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the decimal notation of the number 7.5 multiply 10 raised to power minus 6. Now next question number 4th is 4 multiply 10 raised to power minus 8. Similar way, 4 by 10 raised to power 8. 1 after 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will put the decimal before 8 digits. 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next 2 question, try by yourself. Now next part is question number 7. Compare the following pairs of the numbers. The pairs are given in the scientific notation. If it is given in scientific notation, we should have to compare whether the both numbers are equal to, greater or less than. So first question is 7th part, first one is 13.56 multiply 10 raised to power 12 and 97.56 multiply 10 raised to power 11. So firstly बच्चे, we have to write these number in the scientific notation. What scientific notation said that you should place the decimal you should express any number in the scientific notation, only one digit is to be kept to the left side of the decimal. See the left side of the decimal, there are 2 digit na, so this is not in the form of scientific notation. We have to convert firstly both numbers in the scientific notation. So firstly let us convert this number 13.56 multiply 10 raised to power 12. See, if we will remove the decimal, 2 zeros because decimal after two digits. So 1356 multiply with 10 raised to power minus 2 multiply with 10 raised to power 12. Here I write here 100 as minus 2. 1356, now base is same, powers will be added. So it will be written here 1356 multiply 10 raised to power 12 minus 2, it will be 10. So we have to convert into the scientific notation. We should put the decimal after first digit. That means the decimal should be placed after the first digit, or only one digit is to be kept on the left side of the decimal. Now left side of the decimal, that is only one digit. 3 numbers are there, so we should multiply with the 10 raised to power 3. The index, count the numbers. If your number is greater than 1, multiply with 10 raised to power 10. See, both numbers base are same, powers will be added. 3 plus 10, that is equals to 13. So its scientific notation is 1.356 multiply 10 raised to power 13. Now next number is given here 97.56 multiply 10 raised to power 11. Similar way, 9756 divided by 100, 10 raised to power 11. 9656 multiply 10 raised to power 11 multiply 10 raised to power minus 2. So 11 minus 2, that is equals to 9. So it is 9. We should place the decimal after 9. So 9.756. Move the decimal after 3 places, before 3 places. So here we should multiply with 3. Now 9.756 multiply 10 raised to power 3 plus 9. Powers will be added, base is same, index is same. So 9.756 multiply 10 raised to power 12. So here now scientific notation of the numbers are, one is 1.356 multiply 10 raised to power 13, and one number is 7.5756 multiply 10 raised to power 12. Now whichever is, this number is here before decimal 1 digit, here before decimal 9, so it is greater than this. So we will write 1.356 multiply 10 raised to power 13 is less than from 9.756 multiply 10 raised to power 12. Similar way I am explaining the second question. 5.35 multiply 10 raised to power 80 and 0.536 multiply 10 raised to power 81. See, this is given in the standard scientific notation because before decimal on the left side only one digit. Here it is less than 1, so we have to convert firstly this number into the scientific notation. 536 multiply, if we will remove the decimal, 1000, 10 raised to power 81, 536 10 raised to power 81 multiply 10 raised to power minus 3. 536 10 raised to power 81 minus 3, which is equals to 78. Now 78 we have to convert into the standard form. Standard form, put the decimal after first digit, multiply with 10 raised to power, see before decimal, see after decimal 2 digits, so we should multiply with 10 raised to power, index should be 2, same basis, same power should be added. So 5.36 multiply 10 raised to power 2 plus 78, it should be 5.36 multiply 10 raised to power 80. So now one number is 5.35 multiply 10 raised to power 80 and one number is 5.36 multiply 10 raised to power 80. See, now firstly we should see before decimal, here 5, here it is also 5. So if before decimal number is the same, we can see after decimal number, if there is also 3, it is also 3, it is 35, it is 36. So if it is less than this, so we will write 5.35 multiply 10 raised to power 80 is less than 5.36 10 raised to power 80. Suppose if both the numbers are same, here also 5.36, here also 5.36, then you can do the comparison of the powers. Whichever, if it is power is less than given, then we will write less. If it is power given greater than, then we will write greater. So here your assignment 3.3 is completed.